Video tutorial. I'm going to show you what happens once you set your list leverage lead system up, because this will get you leads very quickly. Log into your back office, and once you've got your leads, your connections in place for your traffic and for your autoresponder, what you will then do is you'll come across to the marketing side here, and this is where it starts to get a bit easier for you online. And what you can do is you can choose any one of these lead capture pages. As you can see, it tells you which ones work better by the clicks, and it tells you which ones will work, which ones are the ones that are worth doing. You can take the link, and then you can literally get your traffic from either Traffic Authority, or you can put it onto your blog, but you need to share it. And when you share it and people come in and join you, the system will then do the work for you. It sends out pre-written emails which are designed to make you get your prospects to then join you. And when they join you, this is what happens. Now this was only set up by myself yesterday, and when I started it, I've had 2 leads in total come in, which is not so bad, as I'm still getting used to how the system works in some ways. But yesterday I had 0, and I've just been sharing this link absolutely everywhere through Traffic Authority. It's on my blog, and it just shows you what goes happen. I logged in this morning and I had $4 there. I've logged back in again today, and because the system is working for me with the emails and whatever's going on through my SendShark autoresponder, then obviously I've had another sale today, which means that's $24 so far in terms of money that's going to be payable to me through my e-wallet. But that's the beauty of this system. It will work for you. If you haven't seen what happens with it yet, get yourself get yourself an account by going to the links beneath this video and finding out how this can help you with your own list building that goes on. It's powerful beyond belief, seriously. So that's how you work that one out. It will do the work for you. If you want autopilot income, this is where you come to get it. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get all of the videos that get uploaded to this channel. Thanks very much for watching, and feel free to comment if you want to beneath this.